How to fix WhatsApp storage problems on Android? This tutorial shows you how to free up space and get WhatsApp running smoothly again on your device. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap on the three dots at the top right. After that, tap on Settings, then head to Storage and Data, and go ahead and tap Manage Storage. From there, you'll see a breakdown of everything taking up space: large files, forwarded items, and media from individual chats. Right here, tap on any chat that's taking up the most space and select the files you want to delete. At this point, tap the trash icon to remove them and free up storage right away. Moving on, go back to your home screen. Long press the WhatsApp icon, tap App Info, then head to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Following this, reopen WhatsApp and check if the storage issue has improved. From here, if you're still running low, go back into WhatsApp settings, tap Storage and Data, and lower the automatic media download settings so WhatsApp stops saving everything to your device automatically. Once done, open the Gallery app and check if there are WhatsApp photos and videos saved there that you no longer need. Delete anything unnecessary. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix WhatsApp storage problems on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.